Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the core items required to attract dark matter. Immediately use the void sponge to blot ambient residue while holding a dark shard in your dominant hand. This primes the shard. Once primed, pour 0.5 L of alchemical solvent over the shard, then activate the shard with a quick charged tap. Don't hesitate. Make sure to keep moving in small circles to distribute the field evenly, because static placement reduces yield. This gets the process underway fast and establishes the attractor field. Once the attractor field is active, focus on aligning flux by rotating the 3 dark shards in a clockwise pattern. This synchronizes their resonances. Keep the solvent drip steady at roughly 1 drop every 2 seconds to prevent collapse of the microfield. While you do this, use short burst attacks, light taps or pressure bursts, on nearby fixtures to stabilize ambient spikes and lure particulate. Make sure to watch the shard glow. When it pulses brighter, you're successfully channeling dark matter toward the collection point. You finish by timing the capture at the shard pulse peak, pressing the void sponge firmly against all 3 shards to absorb condensed dark matter. Hold for 3 seconds. Once absorbed, immediately seal the sponge in a containment vial and tighten the cap about 3/4 of a turn to prevent leakage. If the field destabilizes, shard flicker or solvent boil, vent the solvent away from you and reset the shards. This single troubleshooting step prevents contamination and lets you restart safely with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.